I'm gonna do a shop update this morning. A quarantine shop update. I've been trying to keep busy. I've been stuck inside, or stuck at home rather, for about 6 weeks now. So let me give you an idea of what's going on. We built the closet for my grandkids' toys. We built some cabinets to go around the refrigerator. I did a video on this and I did a video on that. What else? Oh, we went through and stained and urethane all the trim. And that's with the polyshade. Pecan is the color. And I started painting, and you can see what a job that's gonna be. So we got all this cutting in to do. And that's what I'm gonna be working on this morning. Then I'm gonna break the roller out and try to get it from the stairwell around to the first garage door. But yeah, I got all the trim work finished. But you can see how much brighter this is gonna be. And we're looking forward to that. Anyway, I hope everybody has maintained the cool out there and has stayed safe and remains healthy. And we'll get through this sooner or later, I reckon. Let me get into the paint. I'm gonna turn the music on and pretend everything is fine. I'll come back in a little bit and show you my progress. Okay, and also, no haircut jokes. This is my Corona cut. Really wouldn't think I'd had this problem at 59 years old. Anyway, no haircut jokes. Our quarantine projects so far include the closet, the cabinets around the refrigerator, finishing the window trim, a grill cabinet for Matt's grill stuff, our outfeed table / everything table, and our wall cabinet. So I've been keeping busy a little bit. I'll be glad when things get back to normal though. Anyway, let me get into this paint. Okay, we got one side done, first coat. There we go. What do you guys think? Lord, it's a chore. But I have way too much, you can see. There's way too much going on here to try to spray this. And then you can see one coat is certainly not going to get it. I don't care what anybody says, how good the paint is, how much you pay for it. One coat is not going to get it. Now this part here has been second coated. So, mañana we will continue. Next thing, I'll get a second coat on all this, pull the tape off, make sure all the trim looks good. Then I'll move all this stuff over here, and we'll start from this corner and work over there to the other side of that cabinet. That's gonna be fun. It's easy, everybody be doing it, huh? All right, little update. Quarantine cut coming along. I think I might keep it. Yeah, at least they gonna have that. All right, let's see. We got finished coat of paint. Looks good with the pecan trim. I'll make some outside corners for this. All about my bottle opener, all about the details. This I have to make a panel door for because I have to have access to a pipe in case I ever have to run new wires in there for whatever reason. The new cabinet with the radio in it, new closet, and then up the steps, and I haven't painted that ceiling yet. So next is Take the stuff off of this wall, prep it, and try to get the paint around the corner and past that corner cabinet. But there you go. Amazing what some paint will do. All right, let's get busy. Hey, good morning. Here we are, still under quarantine, still painting. So I got my prep done over to the other side of that cabinet. We're gonna try to get this all painted, 2 coats. Then I'll put this back together and then move all this stuff over here and we'll start going down that wall. And that will close things in a little bit. I hope I got enough paint. All right, let's get busy. Top of the morning. Okay, we have made it 60% of the way, 70% maybe. From this corner around the wall, over the cabinets, down the side. Now I got to move all this stuff over here so I can run the paint down this wall, and then I'll have around the garage doors left. That will be it. This has turned into quite a chore, but has to be done. Can't be left unfinished, and it's really gonna be bright and cheery in here if you look. There's Johnny Cash up there doing a no-no from San Quentin. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, but it's going to be very bright in here, warm, and hopefully it encourages good thoughts and good work. All right, time to get ready. On the home stretch, down between these front garage doors, that's 2 coated. Got to caulk the window. And then we'll be done. Wow, look at this. Awesome. The sun feels so good. Early summer will be here before we know it. All right, let's see where we're at in here. Got a big mess. So you can see how much brighter it is here without the lights on. Boom. So you should have no problem seeing the little marks on your ruler or anything else. My objective today will be to clean all this up and get things back in order. So once I do that, we will, I'll show you what it looks like all finished. Forgot to show you, one of the most important tools. Now obviously I wouldn't put this out here when we're building a cabinet, but that's what the hook up here is for. So when I'm out here messing around and I got the radio going and the notion strikes you, you pick up that guitar and start playing and singing and act like you're a country star. Okay, here we go. Paint job complete. Bright, bright, bright. Got all my junk back up on the walls. Workbench over here. All my tools are on casters. I just roll them out, whatever I'm using. Dust collector, table saw. Air compressors under the steps here. Plan on building a shed out back. I'm gonna move that compressor through the wall to the shed. Lisa's bike, which you better not mess with. Portamate, lumber rack. So we don't do a whole lot of volume of stuff. We build stuff for our jobs, bookcases, different things like that. So this is plenty of room for what I need. Got the closet finished up, the cabinet for the radio, mechanics tools. Ceiling looks cool. It's a lot brighter now with these walls painted than it was before with just the primer. Pecan stain on the trim. And we're set. Next project's gonna be uncovering that. I gotta pull the engine out, replace the mirror main seal, oil pan gasket, a few things like that. Hey, that's the end of this little project. So, man, it's pretty after done. If you subscribed, we sure appreciate it. If you haven't, we hope you would consider. Can't waste this day, quarantine or not. It is beautiful out. So we're gonna find something else to get into. How beautiful. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Not sure exactly what to do with y'all till the next video. I got an idea. Put you right here. You can't get in no trouble. Until the next time.